The Federal Inland Revenue Service (FIRS) administers all federal tax laws listed in the FIRS Establishment Act 2007. Along with other agencies of government, FIRS is working towards the provision of sustainable revenue for national development. Between 2016 and 2017, the service introduced initiatives to enhance compliance, prompt payment of taxes by ministries, departments and agencies, MDAs, corporates and other taxpayers as follows. Developed and deployed 6 ease solutions to make tax payment convenient, as easy as ABC 247, anytime, anywhere, all the time. Implemented a tax amnesty program which waived interest and penalty of defaulting taxpayers. The service has collected a sum of 35.82 billion naira, while installmental payment of established liabilities of the sum of 58.2 billion naira is ongoing. Collaborated with other government agencies such as Corporate Affairs Commission, Central Bank of Nigeria, Nigeria Customs Services, Accountant General's Office and the Joint Tax Board (JTB) to register 814,000 new corporate taxpayers by end of 2016. Some states like Kano registered about 900,000 new taxpayers, bringing the Nigerian national tax roll to about 14 million in 2016. By 2017, the Nigerian national tax roll was about 17 million. Strengthened the tax audit function. FIRS recovered over 35.65 billion naira in tax debts. Co-introduced the automatic collection of taxes at source from ministries, departments and agencies through GIFMIS, Government Integrated Financial Information Management System, with the Accountant General's Office. A similar handshake with states is ongoing for the collection of VAT, value-added tax and withholding tax. Auto collection of VAT in the aviation sector is being extended to other key sectors like telecoms, power and hospitality sectors. FIRS allowed taxpayers to file their tax returns at the FIRS offices closest to them. This ensured that taxpayers file their company's income tax, CIT, value-added tax, VAT, and withholding tax, WHT returns at the FIRS tax office nearest to their places of business or choice of location. The service also contributed to the upward movement of Nigeria in the World Bank 2018 Ease of Doing Business ranking. Nigeria moved up 11 places in terms of global ranking of ease of paying taxes. Nigeria also progressed 24 places from 169th to 124th in the 2018 World Bank Ease of Doing Business ranking. In 2016, FIRS collected a total of 3.3 trillion naira. In 2017, FIRS overshot this by about 22% when it collected 4.03 trillion naira, even with crude oil at an average of $50 per barrel. The 2017 collection is 82.32% of the target set by the federal government. FIRS collaborated with the Federal Ministry of Finance and state governments to launch the Voluntary Assets and Income Declaration Scheme, VAIDS. VAIDS is designed to encourage voluntary disclosure of previously undisclosed assets and income for the purpose of payment of all outstanding tax liabilities. FIRS is enlightening and engaging taxpayers nationwide through a robust taxpayers education program. It set up the Federal Engagement and Enlightenment Tax Teams, FEET, and is running a robust public education program in 5 languages on radio and television. This has impacted on the increase of registered taxpayers so far. Also, service delivery to taxpayers has improved. Along with efforts of state internal revenue services, Nigeria's national tax roll increased from 14 million in 2014 to about 17 million by December of 2017. Among other awards, the African Tax Administration's Forum, ATAF, adjudged FIRS Online Stamp Duty Portal as the best innovation in tax administration on the whole of the African continent in 2016. Long before tax administrators beckoned on him to lead the Continental Association of Tax Administrations, ATAF. Last year, the United Nations named Fowler as one of the 25 global tax experts. Fowler is the Global Taxpayers Experts' first vice chairman.